subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Huawei sub-brand Honor is all set to launch its new smartphone under X series called Honor X10 Max. And before the official launch, the upcoming phone was spotted on Chinese certification site Tina that reveals the design of the phone, including some key specifications. According to Tina listing, the Honor X10 Max will feature a large 7.09-inch display with Full HD Plus resolution, and it will have a small water drop notch at the top center that will house 8-megapixel selfie camera. The rear panel of the phone appears to have a dual camera setup including LED flash and a squarish module. The dual rear cameras will include one 48-megapixel main camera and a 2-megapixel secondary camera. Under the hood, the phone is listed to come powered by 2 GHz octa-core processor, which is expected to be MediaTek Dimensity 800 chipset with 5G support. The smartphone will pack with 8 or 6 GB of RAM and 64 or 128 GB of internal storage. On the software front, the handset will run on Android 10 that will likely be based on Magic UI 3.1 skin on top. The device will come equipped by 4900 mAh battery that is expected to support 22.5 watts fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone also spotted to feature an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The physical dimensions of the smartphone is listed to measure at 174.46 by 84.91 by 8. And it will weight around 227 grams. Now, talking about the release date. The Honor X10 Max is scheduled to launch on July 2nd in China. So, as of now, that's all we know about the Honor X10 Max smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.